Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share the products that I've pulled for layout 7 for my November 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. I pulled in 3 photos. The sketch that I'm using calls for 3 photos, so these are fun family photos, you know, when everybody makes the goofy faces, and then you have some good faces as well. Anywho, I don't have much because I have all of my embellishments to the side. I pulled in this heart pocket page card, this flare, which I haven't used any flare this time with any of these. Yeah, so there's all my flare. Yeah, I think I've used one, but I've got this one for just in case. I have a couple of Traveler's Notebook pages. I have this page with all the trees. The back side is that rusty red with dots, and then of course a piece of cardstock. So very limited on what I pulled in because I have these containers full of wood veneer. I have more wood veneer. I have, let me just tip this a little bit over to the side to give you an idea of everything that I have. You can see I have tons of product over here that I can pull to use. So that's why I don't have much down here. So yeah, give me a few minutes and I'll be back and show you what I created with this. See you in a minute. Okay, so I have layout number 7 complete, and you can see I used the tree paper with the cardstock. I used the 2 Traveler's Notebook pages that I have. I just flipped them over and used the back side with the green dot and then the grid with the blue accent there. And I did that because that blue matches my granddaughter's pants perfectly. So here you can see I added a conglomeration of embellishments. I added the flowers from that 1 flower pack, and I used them up. I want to say, yeah, from this Adorn It pack. This is pretty old, y'all. It's been in my stash for years, and I'm glad I finally got to use that completely up. I finished off a pack or a portion of sequins. I had a small sequin package that had 2 sheets of sequins, and it had this color as well as this color in it, so I just used those up. And then this, I had 1 little tiny yellow enamel dot on a page, and I finished that up, and then I put 2 larger yellow dots. I used some blue chipboard, a blue heart to match the blue here. I added in some wood veneer leaves. I added a flare right in the middle here. I fussy cut this heart out from a pocket page card, and added one of those big shiny pumpkins there, and did my journaling just right down the side here, and it just talks about us having a good time at Thanksgiving. Part of our Thanksgiving tradition is that we get together and we decorate the Christmas tree, of course after we eat, because that is, you know, that's priority, right? So yeah, another page done. I have enough scraps. I think I'm going to shoot for another page. We'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure to stay tuned for close-ups at the end. See you guys soon.